Even when my arms started making weird clicking noises, I kept doing push-ups.
First of all, that sounded like a snap, not like a weird clicking noise. Weird clicking noises do happen in your body when you're doing exercises. It's not always a big deal. However, if you do find that that weird clicking noise is causing you any pain, I would highly recommend going and seeing a physiotherapist and seeing if they can give you some alternate exercises and some treatment to help you avoid that pain. Pain isn't always a bad thing while working out, but it can be a warning sign, and it's better safe than sorry to just go see a good physiotherapist.